clean and disinfected stall helps prevent disease and animal sicknesses. After manually clearing away loose dirt, the stall is sprayed at low pressure with generous quantities of water to soak the sticky dirt. A Karcher power nozzle gives the user 40% more impact pressure than conventional nozzles. The triple nozzle, with its flick-of-the-wrist changeover from a fan jet to a solid pencil jet, is ideal for cleaning joints and edges. Usually the large wall and floor areas, but also the stall gates, are cleaned with the Dirt Blaster rotary nozzle. On large floor areas, the hard surface cleaner can also be used to accelerate the cleaning process. The valve on the hard surface cleaner allows cleaning agents to be applied in the low pressure mode. The question as to what cleaning agents are used, or whether they are used at all, depends on what happens to the manure later. Farmers often prefer not to use cleaning agents. The stall must have dried out properly before disinfection is carried out to avoid any dilution of the disinfectant. The dosage is very important as far as the success of disinfection is concerned. For this reason, the high-pressure cleaner must be gauged in liters beforehand. That is, the ratio of disinfectant to the amount of water picked up must be determined exactly. This is done as follows. Set the detergent valve to 3, for example. In the low pressure mode, pick up cleaning agent from a measuring beaker for 1 minute. Note the cleaning agent consumed in relation to the water consumption. The high pressure cleaner in our example has a water consumption of 16.6 liters per minute and picks up 400 milliliters of cleaning agent per minute. That's equivalent to a concentration of 2.4%. The dried surface is now sprayed with a minimum of 0.4 liters of disinfecting solution per square meter. A certain reaction time is specified for every concentration, and it's essential that it be maintained exactly. Karcher disinfection cleaners can also be applied as foam.